Here we are at Atlanta Motorsport Park in a blizzard for a member track day. That's my 911 SC, which I'm selling pretty soon, hopefully. That is a legend. It's a motorcycle powered, typically circle track racing car that my good friend Keegan Hall is running here on a members track day. It's going to be racing that car. Got some Continental slicks on it. And it's 33 degrees. Hey Keegan, giveaway. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thanks for all your help working on the Firebird.
Absolutely.
And all the other stuff you haven't done yet that you're gonna do, hopefully.
Yes.
We got 2 Firebirds, a VW Golf, a BMW M3, and a Flying Moose Volvo.
Yep.
And I also got a Carmen Ghia. How are you with air cooled?
I've worked on a Carmen before.
You have?
Yeah. I've got
the man has worked on a Carmen Ghia before. I love this boy. I love this boy. Anyway, he helped with the Firebird, which you can see in another video. If I had tires and another day, I might have had it here today. Trying to talk Jeremy and the Atlanta Motorsport Park people into letting me run it around out here. It'll happen. It'll happen. Let's see how this thing runs, Keegan.
For sure.
How'd it go this morning?
Pretty cold. My hands are frozen, but car felt great.
Oh, yeah? You want my glove liners? I'm serious.
Possible.
Yeah, you can borrow them. I use them at 25 hours of Thunder Hill.
Right.
Because it can get in the 30s, and I wear them underneath my race gloves.
Right.
It helps.
Definitely.
Because it's kind of hard to have good steering feel when your hands are numb. All right, well, how long till we go out again?
Another hour.
We, him. I'm just here for crew. I'm crewing. You're in trouble.
Oh, boy.
I'm crewing. This thing is cool. What's the engine?
It's a Yamaha 1250.
Yamaha 1250 motorcycle engine. 5-speed?
Yep. 5 speed.
5-speed, so it's a bike. So it's got a bike gearbox, but you shift it by hand. Like a sequential. Burp, burp, burp. These things really rock. What's it weigh, Keegan?
It weighs 1275 with me in it. So right around 13.
1,275 pounds with you in it. So it doesn't weigh a whole lot more than a big Harley.
No.
Well, that looks like a lot of fun, man. All right, well, good luck today.
Appreciate it.
This is quite a team Keegan's got put together here. He's got Brian on data and video. Hey, Brian.
Hey.
He's got Adam over here on
Camera as well, video.
cameras as well. Good. Can we get some of this video? We'll take a look at
Absolutely.
Keegan's driving. He's actually looking pretty good so far. And he claims that those Continental slicks he's got on his Legend have some grip, even in the snow.
The GPS.
I don't know, man, but it looks like it's better than I thought it would be. I thought it would be like literally like ice.
Yeah.
Because it's snowing. The road's trying to get wet.
Yeah.
That wouldn't be good. Here we are, race 2. Keegan was late on the grid. Right over the hours. Down into 1. He's going to make sure he makes it this time. Oh yeah, very careful. He's definitely got the power on these guys.
And he will take the second place as they move into the carousel. So it could be Fabian in Durst, then White, followed by Hugh. Come back down the hill.
Starting back of the pack. He's late on the grid. Move!
He got trouble. Coming out
He's
of fourth.
pushing the Miata. A little impatient. Hey, they don't have to get out of your way. You got to find a way around them. There's your leader.
Fabian. Next up will be Dirk. Then comes Keegan Hall and Matt White. Matt White having a little difficulty. in second starting position. And there goes Keegan Hall past Durst to claim second spot behind Fabiani.
We got a different race this time. The leader is just going for it,
So your
trying to
top
stay
four
ahead.
now will be Fabiani, then Hall.
Gonna be
then
tough.
Then White. Next up will be Hune and then Pelosi. And finally, Brookston.
Looks a little twitchy to me. That car looks a little dicey. The one I drove years ago was.
Out of sight. Physically closing on.
Chasing down the
Blake
leader.
Fabiani. Durst, White, Hume, and Pelosi. Everybody threw one cleanly up the hill. And Fabiani.
Okay, Keegan's chasing that Miata. Probably going to be on his bumper in the brake zone down here into 6.
5 and brake hard to go into 6.
You see him being careful. I think that car's got a really loose setup, and I would like to help Keegan adjust that handling a little bit. I bet we could straighten that thing out, make it more
That'll
comfortable.
relegate Hall in hot pursuit. A good
He's caught
sign
the
of getting
Miata.
back to third place.
Down into 1.
Jeremy Durst and Chris
Gonna
Hughes.
go outside through the pit lane again. That's exactly where he got him last race.
That may be our next battle as
The Miata may close on him up here in
it's around
turn 4. Yep.
Fabiani's a little bit better through the
Notice the Miata's
Yeah,
so much
yeah,
quicker on the way into the
that
corner
Hall's able
and through it.
away from him a little bit as they
Got a better run through there.
Fabiani
Now he's going to pull him on acceleration.
that ground back, but
That was good. He looked better through turn 6 that time. Come the leaders.
The line now.
Keegan's out front.
Another lap Keegan Hall followed by Fabian. The gap is now 9.9 seconds, almost a full second between the first and second. Now,
3/4 race distance.
Pelosi and
Keegan's in the lead.
off the track.
That
again.
Fabiani Spec Miata is
Hard into 1 again.
giving him a run. He's hanging in there, giving it all he's got. I wonder if maybe those race slicks on Keegan's car just aren't getting it done in this cold weather. It's in the mid-30s. Yay! Nice comeback, Keegan. Well, champ, how was it out there?
Slick. Cold.
Slick? Yeah?
Slick and cold.
How come you were last in the second race? Green, late green, green flag.
And Blake Fabiani will be in second as they and
Whoa!
whoa, Hall gets into 1 a little hard.
Missed the grid.
Oh, a little late on the grid.
A little late on
Yeah.
the grid,
Yeah, a little slick and cold getting to the grid.
yeah.
So what was the race like? Starting last.
I personally like starting last because it gives me a carrot, you know, just dangling a carrot in front of me to get past people and everything like that.
Yeah.
But
Yeah, you
like
got a rabbit
kind
to
of
chase.
Yeah, exactly. Kind of like towards the middle of the race, I started getting carried away and making kind of tiny mistakes, just trying to be on cruise control.
Uh-huh.
But it definitely helps when I'm behind somebody that I can kind of gauge himself better.
What I do is I focus real hard on my markers.
Right.
Yeah, brake point, apex, track out, brake point, apex, track out. Just kind of get wired into that. And then the lap time. Do you have a way to know your lap time in the car?
Not yet.
I think you'd like that, because that becomes your rabbit.
Right.
You know you had a 35.1 last time, now you had a 35.0, so whatever you did worked. You try it again, and you keep pushing forward. Okay guys, let's get a lap time in the car for him. Thanks Keegan, it was good hanging out with you today.
Thanks for coming.
Thanks for helping work on my race cars.
Absolutely.
I can't wait until you're riding one of them around out here.
All for it. Let's do it.